Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kati-Culture. So guys, today I'll be bringing you plum. Do you know what they call plum? Plum is a fruit. I cannot say a fruit. Yes, it's a fruit. uh, you harvest from a tree. So I didn't show you the tree actually. I'm just showing you a hustle line. Yes, a hustle line along the kumba BueA highway in Ediki, to be specific. This is how they sell plum there. This pan that you see here, the small balls that you see, it is 500 francs. See how the plum is really dark. Yes, the plum is really dark and the plum is nice. So if you have never seen plum, this is plum. It's good. I don't even know the class of fruit to classify it under, but I know it falls under fat and oil because plum has fat and oil. So guys, let me also say I'm advertising this business. If you are anywhere along kumba BueA and you need plum, please just get to my inbox asap. Yes, just get to my inbox and tell me and I will supply it to you. Or if you want to enjoy the plum, you just tell me. I'm not the one selling, but somebody can assist in the delivery. So guys, before you continue watching this beautiful video, please like, subscribe and share. Click on the notification bell so that you won't be missing out in any of our beautiful videos. So guys, watch plum selling along the BueA Kumba highway and have fun. Yes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoyed it. So before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Click on the notification bell so that you won't be missing out in any of our videos. So guys, look how plum is good. The plum is having a good size, very dark. In fact, this is the magazine. Yes, this is the magazine. I'm taking you right inside the magazine of plum. Just take a good look at the magazine, guys. Oh, so you can enjoy your plum from any location in the southwest, but not above Mutengene because I cannot deliver above Mutengene because transport is that expensive. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.